Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the SanDisk 2TB SSD plus M.2 NVMe SSD, a drive that promises to boost your PC's performance without breaking the bank. This internal solid-state drive utilizes the PCIe Gen 3.0 interface, boasting speeds of up to 3,200 MB/s. SanDisk claims it's up to 5 times faster than traditional SATA drives, and that's a significant leap. Capacity-wise, the 2 TB model offers ample space for your files, from photos and videos to music and important documents. Of course, the actual usable storage will be a bit less, but you'll still have plenty of room to work with. One of the nice features is the Western Digital Dashboard. This allows you to directly access your SSD's health reports, giving you insights into its performance and lifespan. It's a handy tool for monitoring your drive and ensuring it's running smoothly. Installation is straightforward, thanks to its M.2 2280 form factor. It fits easily into many desktops and laptops with a PCIe Gen M.2 slot, requiring just a single screw for installation. In terms of performance, the SanDisk SSD Plus delivers on its promise of speed. While it might not compete with the top-tier Gen 4 or Gen 5 NVMe drives, it offers a noticeable improvement over SATA SSDs, especially when loading large files or running demanding applications. The difference is definitely noticeable. The SanDisk 2TB SSD plus M.2 NVMe SSD is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their PC storage. It offers a good balance of speed, capacity, and affordability, making it an excellent option for gamers, content creators, and everyday users alike. If you're still running on a traditional hard drive or an older SATA SSD, this drive is a worthwhile upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.